In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable XML RPC in WordPress for security. As we dive into this process, you'll see why it's a vital step to safeguard your website from potential vulnerabilities. XML RPC, a protocol designed to facilitate remote communication in WordPress, can unfortunately be exploited for attacks like brute force and DDoS. But don't worry, the fix is straightforward, and it starts with using a plugin. For those who are new to WordPress or prefer a simple approach, using a plugin is the quickest and most user-friendly method. Plugins can help manage several tasks without requiring advanced technical skills, making them ideal for beginners. We're focusing on the Disable XML RPC plugin, crafted by Philip Erb. It's a tool that takes care of the entire process with just a few clicks. Let's walk through it together. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard and locate the Plugins section in the sidebar on the left. Click on the Add New menu item to navigate to the plugin installation page. Here, you'll see a search box on the top right corner. Simply type in Disable XML RPC by Philip Erb and hit Enter. Once the results appear, find the correct plugin and then click Install Now. Installation might take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Once the plugin is installed, you'll see an option to Activate. Go ahead and click on that. Activating is crucial because it actually enables the plugin's functionality, completing the process of disabling the XML RPC feature on your WordPress site. And there you have it. With the plugin installed and activated, XML RPC is disabled, enhancing the security of your WordPress site effectively and efficiently. It's that simple. One of the advantages of using this method is that it doesn't require you to alter any code manually, reducing the potential risk of making inadvertent errors that could affect your website. Additionally, the plugin will automatically handle any updates related to XML RPC, ensuring that security remains intact without further actions from you. It's a set-and-forget approach that provides peace of mind, particularly valuable if you manage multiple sites or just want less manual maintenance. The importance of taking this step cannot be overstated. By disabling XML RPC, you're reducing the risk of hackers gaining unauthorized access to your website. It's one of those small tweaks that can have a significant impact on your site's resilience to attacks. Remember, maintaining a secure website involves regularly reviewing and updating your security measures, and disabling XML RPC is a fundamental part of that strategy. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth WordPress tips and security advice. Until next time, stay secure and happy blogging.